Have you heard of our referral program? No? Well, here's how it works. Log into your John the Plumber as Client Hub and select the Refer a Friend tab. Copy the link and share to your friends and family through email. Text or post the link to your socials. After the referee clicks the link, they will fill out the request sheet and create a client account. This will automatically add a 10% referral discount to their file. Once the person you are referring uses our service from your referral link, our team will reach out to you with a digital copy of a $50 Amazon gift card. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Head over to your John the Plumber Client Hub and share your referral link with your friends and family. Start reaping the benefits of referring great service today.